Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In this video we are going to discuss about exercise 8.2 decimals class 6 maths. Okay, now let us see the first question. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. So here the given boxes, first A, B, C. Okay, next in this A, first one square out of 100 equal parts. In this ones how many? No, not there. Not there means 0. How many tenths? That is 1, 2. 2 tenths given. So hundreds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the number is ones means 0. 0 means 0 .10ths hundredths. It can be written as 0.26. Therefore, the number is 0.26. Next, here one box is there. Complete one box means this 1. The place value is 1 and the next square is 100 equal parts out of how many tenths given? 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now this can be written as, here whole 1 means 1's place is 1. How many tenths? 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths. And the hundredths value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this can be written as 1.10ths place is 3, hundredths place is 8. So it can be written as 1.38. Now in this C1 you try this, students. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Here some given place values. Now we write in this decimal form. Okay, first A1. Now in this 100 place is 0. Plus tens place is 0 plus ones place is 3 plus tenths place is 2. That is, it can be written as 2/10 plus hundredths place is 5. That can be written as 5/100 plus thousand place is 0. So now this can be written as ones place is 3, tens place is 2. And the hundredths place is 5. 3 plus this can be written as 0.2 and now this can be written as 0.05. This is equal to 3.25. Okay. Now the B1, that is 1 in hundredths place means 100 plus 0 and tens place 0 and ones place is 2, tens place is 6, that's equal to 6/10 and hundredths place is 3, so that is equal to 3/100. Now this can be written as 100 not 2 plus 6/10 means 0.6, 3/100 means 0.03. Now this is equal to 102.63. Okay. Now we will see the C1, that is hundreds place is 2, that is equal to 200 plus tens place is 1, that is equal to 10 plus 1 place is 1 plus tenths place is 9, that is equal to 9/10. Hundredths place is 0. so 0. Next, thousands place is 2. Thousands place is 2. That is equal to 2 by 1000. Now, this can be written as 200 plus 10 plus 1. 211 plus 9 by 10 means 0.9 plus 2 by 1000 means 0.002. This is equal to 211.902. So, therefore, 211902, it is equal to 211.902. Now, let us see the third question, that is, write the following decimals in the place value table. So, first one 0.29, 19.60, and the third one is 200.812. Now, let us see the A1, that is first one 0.29. Now, first we expand this form, that is equal to 0.2 plus 0.09. 0.2 plus 0.09, that is equal to, it can be written as 0.2 means 2 by 10. 0.09 means it can be written as 9 by 100. Now B1 19.60. 19.60. Now this expand form is how many tens? 1 tens. So 10 plus 1 is 9 plus 0.6. So that is equal to 10 plus 9 plus 0.6 means 6 by 10. Okay, next C1 200.812. Here it can be written as 200 plus 0.8 plus 0.01 plus here 0.002. Okay, here 200.8 plus 0.01 0.002. Okay, now it can be written as 200 plus 0.8 means 8 by 10. 0.01 means it can be written as 1 by 100 plus 0.002. It can be written as 2 by, this is thousands place. So, we write 2 by 1000. Now, draw the place value table. Draw the place value table, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Now, these decimal forms write in this place value table. First, 0.29, that is equal to 2 by 10 plus 9 by 100. That is equal to, in hundreds is there here? No. So, we write here 0 in A. Tens is not there. So, here we write 0. Ones is also not there. So, we write 0 in this ones place. So, tens how many? 2. So, here we write 2 in this tens place. Now how many hundreds in this? That is 9. 9 hundreds is there. So, we write in this hundreds place 9. Here we write 0 because here not there thousands. So, second one, that is B. In B, how many hundreds is there? No, nothing. So, we write 0 in this. Next, 9 ones is there. So, we write in ones place 9. Tens place is 0. In tens 1. So, we write in tens place 1. In ones place is 9. So, how many tens? 6 tens. So, we write tens place in 6. So, here 0, here 0. So second one is 0196000. Now the C1, that is this. Now how many hundreds here? 2. So we write hundreds place in 2. How many tens here? Not there. So we write in this 0. How many ones? Not there. So we write in ones place 0. So how many tens? That is 8 tens are there. So 8 write in tens place. How many hundreds? 1. So 1 we write in hundreds place. Now how many thousands? 2. So that is right here 2. In this C, the place value is 200812. That is equal to 200.812. Now let us see the fourth question. That is, write each of the following as decimals. Here some place values is there. So this we write in now decimals form. Now change the forms. Now the first one is 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Now in this, these two it can be written as 29 plus 4 by 10 means it can be written as 0.4 plus. Now in this 1 by hundreds means in hundreds place is 1. So we write in this 0.01. Now again we write in this 29.41. Okay. Now in this B, 7 by 10 means tens place is 7. So 7 by 10 means 7 by 10 means 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. So first we write 7 by 10. 7 by 10 means 7 tens place is 7. So 7 by 10s, 10 means 7 tens place is 7. So we write in this 0.7. Now in this can be written as 6 hundredths. So now in this can be written as 0.06. Now this changed into 0.004. Why? Because this is thousands place. Now this can be written as 0.764. Okay. First ఇవి చేంజ్ చేసి ఇలా రైట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. Now let us see the next question, that is fifth one. Write each of the following decimals in words. A1 is 0.03, B 108.56 and the C is 10.07. Now these decimals we write in words. Now the first one is, the following are the decimals in words. First one is 0.03. 0.03. That's all. And the next one is 10.56. In this 100 108.56. Okay. Don't write the 56. After point we write 56. Okay. Now the C1 10.07. That is equal to 1010. 10.0 in tenths place. 0. 7 in hundredths place. 7. Okay. This like you have to write words in into decimal forms into words. Now let us see the next question, that is 6. Between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lie? A 0.60, B 0.19, C 0.92. Now first draw the number line. Now draw the number line now and indicate the numbers, that is starting from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1.0. Okay. Now the first one 0.60. First 0.6 on the number line here. Sorry, this is 0.06. Now the first one is 0.06. Here 0, here 0.1. Now 0 to 0.1 we make the 10 equal parts. Now in this 0.06, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this can be represented 0.06. Now 0.06 lies between 0 and 0.1 in tens place. Therefore 0.06 lies between 0 and 0.1 in tens place. Similarly 0.19, here 0.1, here 0.1 and 0.2. Here represents 0.19. So therefore 0.19 lies between 0.1 and 0.2. Okay, therefore 0.919 lies between 0.1 and 0.2 in tens place. Similarly same the C1 0.92. Here 0.9, here 1.0. In middle of here 0.92 means this can be written as 0.92. So now the 0.9 lies between 0.9 and 1.0 in the tens place. Therefore 0.92 lies between 0.9 and 1.0 in tens place. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is 7th one. Write as fractions in lowest terms. 0.60, B1 is 0.75. Now the C1 is 0.125. Now let us see the first one, that is A 0.60. In this 0.60 it can be written as 0.60 means 6 in tens place. So how many tens? 6 tens, that is equal to 6 by 10. Also we can write in this 0.60. Directly we take 60 not in hundreds place 60, that is we write also 60 by hundreds place. So now the cancel 0 0, that is equal to also 6 by 10. Now it is simplest form is 2 3s 2 5s, that is equal to 3 by 5. 0.60, the lowest term of fraction is 3 by 5. Now the B1 is 0.75. It can be written as directly after 0.75. So 75 right in hundreds place. Okay, in 60 hundreds place is 60 by 100. In 0.75 hundreds place is just 75 by 100. That is equal to, it is cancellation, that is 25 by 3 is 25 by 4 is 3 by 4. Otherwise you do this like 70 by 500 in rough. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 0. So again 5 3s are 5 4s are, that is equals also 3 by 4. Now the C1 is 0.125. So it can be written as after point how many tens, hundreds, thousands. So we take directly 1 2 5 by 1000 in 1000 place. So that's why we will take 125 by 1000. So it is not in a simplest form. Now if it is right in simplest form, by cancellation method, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Again in 5 table 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 0. So again 5 table 5 1s are 5 8s are, that is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore 0.125 in fraction simplest form is 1 by 8. Okay friends, if you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.